YouTube and Shopify, big partnership coming up. Let's take a small look at this partnership. Ready, set, shop on YouTube. We're launching a new partnership with Shopify and giving all eligible creators access to live shopping tools. Take a look at this screenshot right here. Okay, so this guy shows an example of hosting a live Q&A, live event. And this may not be comfortable for everyone, and that's fine. But this is a huge update that's worth mentioning. So here you can see that you have a live shop. So you're talking about your product, you're talking about your business. And during that time that you're talking, the customer could shop right here, okay, and see what and take what they want. They can shop, they can check out, and they can proceed to check out and continue the checkout process, all while still watching your live event. Okay, so it kind of creates a window in a window, and it gives them that. So that is really, really nice. And here's a video. Okay, well, this is another example where you simply search for activewear and you can see all of the results on YouTube. So you can simply open up a YouTube shop that is synchronized with your Shopify store. So if you already have a Shopify store or you're thinking of creating one, you can automatically have a YouTube store and generate organic traffic. Guys, this is a huge update. I don't know who's heard about it yet, but you do not want to miss out. YouTube and Shopify together.